Let's go.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in December and going over our last paycheck in December. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. I apologize if you hear noise outside or if you see shadows. I had to turn on the lights so that you would be able to see the video. Normally I would be using the natural light from outside, but it is storming here today. The wind is really bad and it's been raining. So if you hear gushes of wind and rain, that's what it is, and I apologize for that. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So for our budget from December the 20th through December the 26th, in our expense category, we budgeted $434.16 for our phone bill, $200 for Best Buy, $115.52 for our life insurance, $37.55 for our medical subscription, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $1.99 for Google storage. That came up to a total of $796.84. In our actual category, we paid $421.86 on our phone bill, which was a difference of $12.30. $200 on Best Buy, $115.52 on our life insurance, $37.55 on our medical subscription, $7.62 on HP Inc., and $1.99 on Google storage. That came up to $784.54, which was a difference of $12.30. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $60 for our savings challenges. We didn't put anything in our backup funds or our rollover, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $920. In our actual category, we spent $450 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $40, $350 in our sinking funds, $60 in our savings challenge. We didn't put anything in our backup funds or in our rollover, and we put $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $880, which was a difference of $40. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,725.08, minus our expenses of $796.84, minus our cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, nothing in our backup funds and nothing in our rollover, and $20 in our extra backup money. That left a remainder of $8.24. In our actual category, our income was $1,725.08, minus the expenses of $784.54, which was a difference of $12.30, minus the cash envelopes of $450, which was a difference of $40, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, nothing in our backup funds and nothing in our rollover, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $60.54, which was a total savings of $52.30. For our budget for December the 27th through January the 2nd, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for our mortgage, $190 for Chase, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $48 for our gym fee, $14.40 for our Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, and $12.95 for Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $1,381.33. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $450 for our sinking fund, $100 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for our rollover, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,370. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.47, minus the expenses of $1,381.33, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $450, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus the backup funds of $150, minus our rollover of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $110.14. So as for our paychecks for 2024, this was the last paycheck we received. So we will be closing this paycheck out in 2025 to see how we did. But this is the last of 2024's paycheck. We will be doing some changes as far as my budgeting is concerned. I do have some new cash envelope binders. All of my materials not here. I want to try and do a new setup, but my cover that I've ordered for my Happy Planner has not arrived. My stickers have not arrived. And the labels for my binders have not arrived. Usually I would have everything together and ready, but with all that was going on, I was late getting my orders in. So they will probably not be here until maybe the first or the second check in January. So after that, I will do a budget setup, and I apologize for it being late. But that is where we're at right now, and you will see for our first video in January, we will be closing out our last paycheck in December. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.